Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll have an unboxing of the Apple Watch, and of course this one is the Apple Watch Series 10, and of course this is the 46mm. Alright, so of course this is new and we'll be unboxing it right now. Alright, so let's get straight into the unboxing guys. So of course, as always, like the Apple presentation, it comes in this white box and it comes sealed. Here we have the information on the back, and of course it does give out the basic information as to that it is from Apple. You can find some cool QR codes and all the basic information. I have also covered the serial number and pertinent information on this side. So of course it has a flap on this side and this side, and we're going to open it up. Alright guys, so once you remove the flaps, and of course you go ahead, you'll notice the everything is easily revealed and it's quite nice. So of course here's the contents, and Apple was very nice to include this backing on it. You can see the watch here. It's very nice in terms of the presentation, always great in terms of Apple products. All right, so here we have the box itself, and I think these are the straps, and it says here a loop, and they place various information here in terms of design, and you see the Apple information over here. I'm going to place it aside. Here is the watch itself, so let's get straight into that section. So what we're going to do next is we're going to look at each individual piece. So we're going to start with the band. All right, so it's sealed, it's brand new, as you can see the information. Oh, here we are. And this one is the metal band. It seems to be silver. So there you go. And there's some serial information here. I'll have to cover that up. All right, very nice. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and remove this. And as I said, it's brand new. It has never been opened, still sealed. All right. So we remove that. And here we go. It gives the information on how to install. And of course, it should be intuitive. So I'm going to remove this. Here we go. It comes out very nicely. Here we have some inserts. Place aside. So this is the band. Of course, it seems to be some form of stainless steel. All right, might have to upgrade to a rubber band. All right, we're going to put it aside, and we're going to look at the watch itself here. Oh, here we are. All right. There you go. So you can see the watch now. Here we have, it says design in Apple, California. All right, so we got the charger. Alright, so this is the charger. It comes in white, ready, cable, similar to the new cables that are coming with these devices. So this is the cable. Alright, so we're going to put this aside. Alright, so we're going to go for the watch, and here it is. Alright, so it comes in a very nice weight. And it comes, here it says the size, and you can see the other side. You can see the knobs here. Very nice. so here you go. It looks very, very nice. All right. All right, so I'm gonna fit everything together. All right, so it simply says slide to attach the band. So this would be the band. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna look here. So here we go. So we're gonna slide one section and then it loops through this other section here. So it should be easy. All right, so I'm gonna attach them. All right, so the idea is to hold it like this with the knob here. Next, we're gonna get this section here and we're gonna slide it in. All right, so we're gonna go here. And this is mainly an unboxing and just basic setup. So we're gonna slide it in. There you go. It's very intuitive. It slides in snug. There you go. Then we're gonna unravel this. This part is magnetic. So as you can see here, now we're gonna attach this other piece here to the other end, which is around here. So we're gonna connect it around here. All right, so after connecting the first piece here, we're gonna remove this section here. So it comes off. Remember, this is magnetic, so keep it out of the way. And here we go. And as the last part of the procedure, we're gonna simply take this section here and we're gonna attach it to the other section over here. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and snap this in. All right, so it slides right in. There you go. So it's now completed, and all we gotta do is loop this through. Remember, this is magnetic. All right, so there you go. And this is this stainless steel. All right, it's magnetic, so all right, so there you go. It's very intuitive and easy to set up, and of course there you go. All right, so this is just a video to show the unboxing and setup to see what you should expect. So of course my first impressions is very clean, very neat, like the stainless steel. However, I would rather a plastic band, so I'll have to look into the plastic band for this. All right, so I do hope this was useful in terms of this unboxing, and see you in the next one, guys, where we're gonna have the full setup. So see you in the next one. Bye.